Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside it. So let's take a circle here with the center at O, and let's take an external point somewhere here, so that's A. And what we need to do is draw tangents to this circle. Now what does tangents mean? So tangents are nothing but lines that intersect the circle only at one point. Alright? So a line can be constructed like this here, and as you can see, this is the only point that it touches the circle, and that is, let's say, T. Another property of tangents is that tangents are perpendicular to the radius. So if at this point we make the radius of the circle, so this is the radius, then this would be 90 degrees. And now let's join the line between the external point and the center. So we'll make a AO here. And now this gives us a good idea of what an approach can be to construct the tangent. Because this reminds of another property of circles that we can exploit. And that is when diameter is subtending an angle 90 degrees. So if you remember, a circle property is there which says that the diameter of a circle subtends 90 degrees angle at any point on the circumference. Now think about this. If we take another circle with diameter as AO, and if that point T lies on the circumference of that circle, then this would make sense, because the diameter would be subtending 90 degrees at its circumference. So let's take a circle here, another circle with the diameter AO. So this is a circle, and we can see that T also lies on the circumference of this circle. And so this can be an approach to find where T is. Because as you can see here, T lies both on this circle and the original circle we had. So our problem statement now is simply to construct a circle with AO as diameter, and the points at which it cuts the original circle, that is the point of contact for the tangents. So if you see on this side also, if we draw a line from A to this intersection point, then you again see this would be 90 degrees, because this would be on the circumference of the other circle, and it would be the diameter subtending 90 degrees, and also that it will only touch the original circle at one point. So the problem statement to construct these tangents is nothing but to actually construct another circle with AO as diameter, cutting the original circle at 2 points. So let's try to find the measurements of this other circle that we need to construct. So let's take this aside. And if AO is the diameter, we have an approach to find the center, because the center of the circle would be at a distance of radius from one endpoint of the diameter. Now suppose the center of this circle is M, somewhere around here. Now we can estimate where it would be, because the center would be the midpoint of the diameter. And so if this is the center, then both the distances MO and AM, they're going to be R, which is the radius of the new circle. So here AM is equal to OM is equal to R, which is nothing but half the diameter, that is the length of the radius. So it would be AO divided by 2. And so our radius is nothing but AO by 2. And the center would lie at a distance of AO divided by 2 from either of the endpoints. So now we have the measurements of circle. So let's get into the construction of the circle. So our objective of the problem is nothing but to take the line joining the external point and the center of circle as diameter, which was our original AO, and construct a circle. Then the intersection points of the original circle are the tangent points. So let's construct a circle. So we'll take our circle, the original circle that we had at center O, and the external point here at A. So the first task that we have is to construct the line AO. So let's write our steps here. So we have to construct the line joining the external point A and the center of circle. So we'll make this line. Now the second task that we need to do is to find the center, which is at a distance of AO divided by 2 from either of the endpoints. So let's do that. Find the center of AO using perpendicular bisector. Now, the center of line can be constructed using the perpendicular bisector. So let's make the perpendicular bisector. For that, we'll take out our compass and we'll estimate half the length here, somehow that it is slightly more than half the length of this line, and then we'll cut an arc right here. With the same distance kept on the compass, we'll also cut an arc on the opposite end, like this. And we'll do the same exercise on the other end point. So again, we'll take our compass, we'll fix it at a length slightly more than half of the diameter or AO, and then we'll make an arc. And then we'll do it again on the opposite end. So we have this as a second arc. Then we'll join the line between the intersection points of the arcs. So this is our line. And at the point that this line cuts at our original line, that would be our center, let's say N. So now we have the center of the circle. We also have the radius of the circle. All we need to do is construct it. So our third step would be taking AM is equal to MO as radius and M as center, construct the circle having AO as diameter. So we'll take our compass out again, fix it to this length, which is the radius, and then we'll just construct our circle. So our circle is constructed, and as you can see, this cuts our original circle at 2 points, which are gonna be the point of contact for our tangents, right? So now all that is left to be done is connect the external point A with the intersection point of the circles. So if say this is point B and this is point C, let's connect AB and AC. So we have AB and AC, and there they are at tangents because they touch this circle at one point. And we can also see that if we construct the radius here, so that is the radius R, and again on this side we have the radius R, then this angle is 90 degrees. So these are the tangents of the circle, and that's it. So AB and AC are the required tangents from the point A, which is external to the circle. So let's remove all the construction, and ultimately we have AB and AC as the tangents to the circle centered at O. So that's how you construct tangents to a circle from a point outside it. That's all about it. Thank you.